So our chapter is over actually for this relation and function. Shall we start a chapter of 11th?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so which chapter? How about permutation combination?
Okay.
Okay. Did you study in 11th binomial theorem?
Yes, sir. I still.
You did. Okay. So you are good in that chapter?
I should revise. So.
You have to revise. Okay. So we can start that also if you want.
Yes, sir.
So tell me which chapter, permutation combination or binomial?
Binomial theorems.
Binomial. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Let me get the questions. Just give me a minute. Okay. Okay. So what is binomial theorem? Any ideas?
So when the power that is more than 2.
Power is more than 2. Okay. Not necessarily. Binomial means just 2 terms. Okay.
Yes.
Binomial means 2 terms. So very simply, when you open, suppose we have a plus b to the power n. This is equals to nc0. You remember this? nc0, how to open? No. Okay. Just write it down. I'll explain. Don't worry. Okay. So nc0, a to the power n minus 0 into b to the power 0. This is the first term. Okay. Plus nc1, a to the power. What will happen here? Look at the pattern. If it was 0 here, then a to the power
N minus 0.
yes. So here what will happen? N minus 1. Then b to the power 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next term, what will happen to next term?
NC2 A raised to N minus 2.
N minus 2 and b to the
B2.
power b2. And the last term will be
Cn A raised to N minus N Bn.
right. So this is actually a to the power 0. Okay. So remember, oh, my video is not on. Okay. So remember this, opening is very important. Okay, how to open the bracket. So if I give you 1 plus x to the power n, can you tell me how to open this?
NC0 1 raised to N minus 0 x raised to 0.
Then
Plus NC2 1 raised to N minus 1 x raised to 1.
right, last term
NCN 1 raised to n minus n x raised to n.
Very good. Okay. So look at this one important thing. In first term, the value is 0. In second term, okay, this is NC1. Second term, the value is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Third term, the value is 2. So if I have to write general term, you remember general term EPGP?
Yes, sir.
General term means हमें कोई भी random number लिखना है, right? So what will be the generalized formula? So general term TR plus 1, term R plus 1 is equals to NCR. Why so? In first term, the value is 0. That means 1 less. So we are finding R plus 1 term. So the value of here we'll put is R. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And x to the power n minus R, y to the power R. This is called general term. When x plus y to the power n you are finding. Please write it down. Very important. ठीक है, अगर आपको ये याद है ना जनरल टर्म, then you can solve maximum question, like 90% question solved. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Write it down.
The TR1 is the general.
Yes. I'll explain what this means. देखो, if we have x plus y to the power 12, okay. Someone says, what is the fifth term? Okay, what is the fifth term? Then we are not going to write all of this open and write 5 terms. No. What we'll do, we'll write general term. So what we want, T5. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if I write T5, that means what is the value of R?
4.
4. So the formula will be 12C4 x to the power 8 y to the power 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is clear how to use general term.
Yes, sir.
Write down the example also. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now let me explain what NCR means. NCR is nothing but n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. You remember factorial?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I write 5C3, that means 5 factorial upon 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
काटा पेटी करके you will get the answer. Done?
Yes, sir.
So one question for you. Find 28 term of 5x plus 8y to the power 30. You can do this?
Sir, I got the 30,
30. Let
E28.
me
That is
see.
435.
20. I do not have the exact answer for this, but let me write the general term. Okay. So T28 will be T27 plus
seats.
1. Right? Yes, what were you saying?
30C27.
Right,
5x to the power 3.
right.
8y to the power 27.
Very good. Right. So leave it like this. You cannot get the exact answer, right? Because this is 8 to the power 27. So to calculate 8 to the power 27, it will take us infinite time, right?
Yes, sir.
So leave it as it is. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Try to solve another question. 7 term of 4x by 5 minus 5 upon 2x to the power 9. Okay. With this one, you can get the exact answer.
I wrote 9C6.
9c6. Yes.
4x by 5 raised to 2.
Yes. 2 or 3.
3.
Right.
And minus 5 by 2x raised to 6.
Right. So this you can get the exact answer for this, right? Because some things will be cancelling out. So the answer will be 10500 upon x cube. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is general term. So you have no issues in general term? No?
No, sir.
अब हम किसी का भी जनरल टर्म लिख लेंगे बहुत इजीली, ठीक है? अब जनरल टर्म पे बेस्ड 3-4 टाइप से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, दैट विल डिस्कस. फर्स्ट वन इज मिडिल टर्म. राइट डाउन middle term. Okay, write down the cases. If n is even, then term will be n by 2 plus 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this means nc n by 2, x की power n by 2, y की power n by 2. This will be the middle term. When n is odd, then general term will be 2. Sorry, middle term will be 2. One is t n minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and another is term n plus 1 upon 2 by 1. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल है. देखो, ऐसे कंफ्यूज होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. इफ यू हैव a b c 3 terms, then middle term is b, right?
Yes, sir.
And remember this, if the power is 2, then there will be 3 terms. If the power is 4, then there will be 5 terms, and so on. Okay, देखो a plus b के होल स्क्वायर में कितने टर्म आते हैं?
3 terms.
3 terms. a plus b whole cube 4 terms.
Yes.
So same way, whatever the power is, total number of terms is always one more. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so when power is 2, the middle term will be the बीच वाला second term. So if you put the value of n here 2, then 2 by 2 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are finding second term. Okay,
Yes.
now if the power is 3, then 4 terms a b c d, then 2 middle term will be there. One is second, one is third. So put it, the value of n 3 here. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are finding t2. In the same way, n plus 1, 3 plus 1 by 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Second and third term. Clear?
Yes, sir.
भाई समझ में आ गया? ज्यादा तेज बोल दिया मैंने?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay, okay. So here the formula you can write n c n minus 1 by 2 x की power n plus 1 by n minus 1 by 2 y की power n minus 1 by 2. This will be n plus 1 by 2. Okay. And here this is nc n plus 1 by 2 x की power n minus 1 by 2 y की power n plus 1 by 2. All right. Done.
Also, 1 minute.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. इसको और सिंपली ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हैं. When n is even, then middle term you have to find is n by 2 plus 1. When n is odd, then the value of r t you have to find the term is n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
t this. So You can remember this also. You can write it down, whatever. But you get the idea, right? Even if you forget the formula, you will calculate how to do that.
Yes.
So please solve one question. Find middle term in the expansion 1 minus x square by 2 to the power 14. Okay. Which will be the middle term here?
Sir, 8 is the middle term.
Right.
So with the other formula, I should find the 8th term.
Right. You just have to find out T8. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
What the answer?
14C7.
Yes, 14C7.
1 raised to 7.
1 raised to 7. Yes.
Minus x square by 2 raised to 7.
Right. But here you have to solve this completely. Okay.
Yes.
All right. How to solve? If you have to calculate 14C7, then this is 14 factorial upon 7 factorial 7 factorial. Right. So this is 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 into 7 factorial. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now this is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is cancelled. Now 7 and 2, 14 is gone. And who else is gone? 6, 2s are, right?
Yes.
4, 2s are, and 3 is there. 3, 3s are.
5
So you can
and 10.
see, yes, 5, 2s are. So what we have 3 into 11 into 4 and 8 into 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And here we have also 2 to the power 7. So this way you can calculate very easily. Do not just multiply everything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next one is middle term निकाल लेंगे ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's write one more question. Find middle term in the expression of 3a minus a cube by 6 to the power 9.
So for this two middle terms we did
Yes.
5 and 6.
5 and 6. Yes. Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next topic is independent of x. Okay. Either they will say term independent of x, right, of the variable, or means constant term, right? Same thing. Got it, Shahid? What the question will say? Independent of x or constant term. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So here, first you have to do is find r. All right. What I mean by, just let me give an example, then it will be very easy. Write down if the constant term in the binomial expansion of under root x minus k upon x square to the power 19. Actually, it's not 19. There is some error. This is 10. It's 405. Then mod k is a dash. Okay. Option 1, option A is 9, B is 1, C is 3, D is 2. Okay. Done, Shahid?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this type of question, all you have to do is write general term. So what will be the general term? Can you tell me?
10C 9
10C9.
or
We're writing general term.
10C R
10CR,
put okay X 10 minus R
right?
to minus K by X square raised to R.
Right.
Yes.
Now they are saying independent of x. So what we'll do? 10CR will be like this into this is x to the power 10 minus r by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And from here we can remove this. This is minus k to the power r and divided by x to the power 2r. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can further simplify 10CR into this is x to the power 10 minus r by 2 minus 2r into
Yes, sir.
minus k to the power r. Now, if it is independent of x, that means the power of x will be, if x is not there, that means the power of x must be
0.
0. So what we'll do? Make the power 0. That means 10 minus r divided by 2 minus 2r must be equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 10 minus r equals to 4r. That means r equals to 2.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So if r equals to 2, we have already written the general term. Then just put the value of r here. You will get the answer. And you do not even have to calculate the x values because we know it will be independent of x. Okay. Not
Yes,
getting
sir.
my point. Okay. So the answer will be 10C2 into minus k to the power 2. x की हमें लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. All right.
Yes, sir.
But if you write, you will see they will cancel out. Okay. So this is 10C2. That means 245 into k square. Okay.
Yes.
Now they are saying this 45 into k square is 405. So k square is equals to 9. That means k is plus minus 3. So mod k is 3.
Yes.
Very simple.
Yes, sir.
No doubts.
No, no doubt.
One more question then. Just a second. The term independent of x in the expansion 4 upon 3 x square minus 3 upon 2x to the power 9. Okay. The previous question we did was in JEE Min question. Okay. Please solve this. Solving it, Shahid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done, Shahid?
No, sir.
Not able to solve?
No, sir.
Okay, what is the general term?
9CR
Okay,
over by 3x square raised to 9 minus r minus 3 by 2x raised to r.
right. So we'll not care about constant terms 4, 3, minus 3, 9 CR. We do not care, right? Just take the powers of x. So x to the power, this is 9 minus r into 2. Okay.
Yes.
Into this
Or
is
y 2.
this x square and power 9 minus r, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. And here we have 1 upon x to the power r. Okay.
Yes.
So this is actually x to the power 18 minus 2r minus r. All right.
Yes, sir.
So when you put 18 minus 3r equals to 0, you get r equals to 6. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now just put the value of r, so tr plus 1, which is t6 plus 1. That means 7 term. The answer is 7 term is independent of x. And if they ask you about the term, then this is NC7 into 4 by 3 to the power 2 into minus 3 by 2 to the power 6. All right.
Yes. So what is house 7?
The value of r is 6. And
Oh, yes.
we wrote the term is tr plus 1, right? So 7 term.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, write down 2 questions for homework. Understood this very clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 questions independent of x. You have to find.
Sir, it should have been minus 3 by 2 raised to 7.
No. The value of r is 6, right? Term is 7. Remember, if the term is 7, then the value of r is 6.
Then it should
One
be
less.
9C6, right?
Yes. My bad. This is 9c6 actually. Okay. So term independent of x in this is 6th root of x minus 1 upon cube root of x to the power 9. Okay. This is first one. Second one. If maximum value of the term independent of t in the expansion of t square x to the power 1 upon 5 plus t minus x to the power 1 upon 10 whole divided by t to the power 15 is k, then (8k) is dash. Do not be confused about this question. What they are saying, maximum value of the term independent, right? Maximum minimum means domain and range actually. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just find the term independent of that, find the maximum value, you'll get the answer. Okay. Don't worry if you cannot solve the